show you how to make some fabulous harem pants slash yoga pants slash hanging around the house pants. I don't know, they're tie-dye and they're fabulous. So all you need for this is one pair of cotton harem pants in any colour. I did like 5 different colours of these, they're addictive. So any colour, the pair on here that I'm going to use is blue. But you can use any colour you like, as long as it's one colour and they're cotton. Those are the only restrictions. So you need your harem pants, you need some bleach, an empty spray bottle and some gloves. So I'm sure I've told you a million times how to make bleach spray, but anyway, I'll tell you again. For the bleach spray, you just need to put an inch of bleach, regular household bleach, into a bottle, fill that up with warm water, and there you go, you have bleach dye. So this is another project that's best done outside. So lay your harem pants down outside. And I've done a twisty style tie-dye on this, but you could use other styles of tie-dye, it's entirely up to you. But the twisty style is the one where you grab the fabric in the centre and you just twist round and round. So once you've twisted it round, secure it with a couple of elastic bands, and that is it, you're ready to go. Make sure you put your gloves on before you start doing the bleach. And now all you need to do is spray it with bleach. Spray it all over and then turn it over and spray it all over again. Then just leave it for a couple of hours, and when you go back you'll find that it's changed colour. And then you just put it in the washing machine, wash it as usual, and they come out like this. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!